Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and we will be having another edition of it tonight, and of course we will be doing that out together tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. And of course guys, if you're not joining us at the moment, okay, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way others have been doing. So guys, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and I'm using the trend 3M trend meal card trading indicator. You can see right from this resistance zone it started selling, and it kept on selling until it got to this support zone, and right from there it has started an uptrend. Okay, it has been spiking up and up. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, because it may likely get to this place before we can have a major reversal in price action. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, it was on uptrend before, but the market has been playing around there for a while. If it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then definitely it may likely go back on sell trend. But for now, it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will go back into a sell trend. So wait for that to happen before you start selling. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This is beautiful. Okay, this has been buying for a very long time. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It may likely crash down around there, but if it does not, or if it breaks out around that resistance zone, breaks out from that resistance zone, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here as the next resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on sell trend. So you should watch out for that. This is buying for now, but might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, even though it played around there for a while before breaking out below this support zone to get to this particular support zone. So right now it is trying to go back on buy trend. Okay, if it's goes above this resistance zone, then it's going to be buying more. Then we should be looking at the next resistance zone, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so that is very, very important. But once it breaks out above this, then we should expect it to buy more. Okay, so this may likely go fully into a buy trend, but for now it is still selling at the moment, except if it breaks out above that resistance, and that is when it will be buying for a very long time. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, then the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone. Then this is selling at the moment, so it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All we need to do is just to make sure we understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever we are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.